Okay.
Oh my god. Is Gia new? Are you sitting there? Are you sitting there? Hi, Jason.
This is gonna be the highlight of the trip. This is the boat. I think this is the boat. The boat was so relaxing after the
This is the song that she was talking about that is famous, that the boys choir here sings.
Oh, Mr. Pai, I lost my voice at the concerts.
You're the worst.
It was like, oh cool, and then it kept like screeching.
Because she had the mic up on the bus instead of down in front, and there are speakers back there. So when the microphone hears the speakers, it feeds back.
I don't even hear.
Not something they cover in tour guide training. Like yesterday with those freaking mics going out the whole tour.
I think it was just the headphone jack. I think that's something.
It was a loose connection between the wire and the mic. But she tried to hold the bottom of it into the jack, and that didn't help.
Yeah, but I think it was where the mic was actually connected to the wire.
Every single day, bro. So close. Another episode on the train. If I had this, I'm taking another one. I would have bought the. This you want to play the video?
Okay, keep going.
Clash Royale.
I have a fisheye lenses were super popular when I was in college. So I had like a fisheye lens that I actually put on like my DSLR. I should donate my DSLR to the choir program for the budding photographers of the world.
Oh my. We're gonna turn that way.
Wait, I kind of feel like we got bad seats. I'm gonna get that.
This is not what I was expecting. I was expecting like one of those old rickety, like outdoor exposed, like a chain pulling us up.
Why is this really great? Yeah. Hold on, wait, age.
face.
Zooming on Casey's face while she's chewing gum.
Wait, you're true.
We should have hiked them.
You make the face, I make the sound. You first. Andrea, are you go
How much of a hiker?
I do love hiking, but I did not pack for that. I'm not gonna wear my jeans hiking.
I'll make the face.
I think here's too many. Are they crashing into that thing?
Of course they did.
Wait, how are you gonna get around that?
Hiking was not fun for me in high school though. In college, I started to appreciate it. Because high schoolers are lazy. In general.
I did like an 80-mile 10-day backpacking trip in 7th grade. Yo, 8
That sounds like those like wilderness camps. Where they just like put the kid, like the bad kids in like the desert for like a month.
Was that with scouts?
Yeah.
Are you still a scout?
Yeah.
What's your big project gonna be?
What was Andrew's? Did Andrew
There's like, I don't talk to Andrew.
I thought you knew. That's crazy. He's a coach. Yeah, he's trying to do his
Eagle
Eagle
Scout
Scout project.
project.
I thought you knew.
Oh,
I thought he was
crazy.
just very okay for work, so he found his way. Is he
I assume it's. That makes sense though.
trained? That does make sense. Oh my god.
There we go. I wish we saw Castle. I think that would make it better.
What? Just in life?
I want to. No. Oh, yeah. If the US had Castle, it'd be a lot cooler.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, the last time I saw a castle was in Italy.
I want to explore that abandoned like town thing.
Yeah, look at that. Don't try.
Trey, that is secure. Fall down, guy.
I want to explore abandoned places.
Yeah, I wanted to go up here.
We have such those YouTube videos. They're like abandoned hospital, like, you know what I'm talking about?
I don't wear stuff that I think is building. No, I'm saying like not like that.
Free us, you know, our both sides. Are you here? Yeah. That's it. You didn't hear me.
Stuff that.
I have a great option.
You're like 5 minutes to get caught. I want to get one of those jackets where it's like that, but it has like a hoodie built in. Like one of those work jackets. Congratulations. How long is the stream? 90 hours?
I have no idea.
Don't say anything, please.
We can get on this now.
Why are you awake?
I hope someone knocks over a tree. I'll see a tree. No, we gotta stop the tree. And then a bunch of like
Ray.
Bags.
Ray Belita texting me right now.
Okay, what did you say?
Thank you.
Thank you, William.
What time is it there?
4.
AM.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we called him earlier. Like, like touching him. Yeah.
Why?
It's spring break. Maybe he's just staying out super late.
Well, it was 4 PM. Yeah, it's fine.
Not 4 4 p.m.
It's 4 a.m.
It's 6 hours earlier than here.
No. Yeah, it's like 5 a.m.
Last night.
Okay, still.
It's 5 a.m.
Like 6, 7.
Okay, still what? It's 4 a.m.
9
No, it was 9 p.m. here when they called last night.
9 p.m. is.
Where's the exam?
Yeah.
It's 11 finish. Later for us. Evening for afternoon evening. They're going to some of that.
Yeah, we should have like done like a tunnel up there instead of just like
Do it. You can try. Go ahead, try.
All of us band together, we can do it. Yeah, I think we can take them starting.
Where are you guys from?
Figure it out. School watches. You know, he's too busy watching. You can say he's not there. Yeah, he would. And he would be like the.
Yeah, it's like me in the background. Oh, I like going to caves. Oh, we should explore caves by.
We should do the cave diving and get stuck in the rocks.
I was watching this.
That kind of stuff is scary to me.
I was watching.
Yeah, it's terrifying. I know.
No, I would never cave dive.
You guys need like wife 4 kids do that. Wow.
Like squeezing through rocks? No, thank you.
Yeah, that's like such a stupid
That was
idea.
so scary.
See, now that's
My claustrophobia would not handle that.
Leaning tower of the house.
Oh, that's the cable car. The cable car that we saw coming up.
Whoa.
Let's get sniped too.
That'd be cool if you like spotted like some sort of giant creature.
Yeah, I'd rather